My girlfriend's coming over for dinner and we decided on beef stroganoff and zucchini sticks. I am going to use one of my other most favorite ways to cook. This is called the Rock Pan. Has anybody ever heard of the Rock? These are amazing. My favorite frying oil, which is, when I say frying oil, it means that I put just a surface of oil, maybe a little bit more, being that I want to get an almost deep fried aspect of these. But this pan, along with the Instapots, I would fight anybody if they tried to take them away. They are amazing. There's a wide array of styles or shapes and sizes of this brand of frying pan, and I dare you to try it. A half a cup of, I've changed it from corn flour to cornmeal. Cornmeal. A quarter cup of spelt flour. A quarter cup of Parmesan cheese. A generous shake of Lawry's seasoning salt. And a sprinkle of black pepper. Give it the bag a shake to mix all the ingredients. Zucchinis are cleaned and scrubbed. Give it a slice. I think I'll do it in about 3 pieces. Take the end off. Make a box out of it. Give it flat sides so that when I put it in the frying pan, it will, all the edges will be touching. Cut it in quarters. And I have turned the pan on high just to initially melt the oil. And then I will turn it down to probably 2 on my stove, which is still a pretty high heat, but definitely not max. I'm going to get the oil on the bottom of the pan because it seems to be going out to the sides. Dip one of my zucchini in the egg, 1 egg. And then roll it in the dry batter mix. And I'm gonna put it on the outside edge where all the oil has pooled. It only makes sense. These pans make everything that I fry brown. It gives it a beautiful color. I'm just picking up the flour mixture and placing it on the zucchini. I can smell the Parmesan cheese already. Oh, I'm going to have, oh my goodness, look how nice and brown that is. Palm oil, I found, is another way that I easily get brown. So between the pan, the Rock Pan, and the palm oil, I get a wonderful browned finish. I don't have a deep fryer and I don't have an air fryer as of yet. So this is my way of trying fried zucchini. This is an out-of-the-box idea that I had today when I was talking to my girlfriend about what do we want to have to eat. She comes for dinner once a week. Okay, that side, there we go. And then it's a dip of choice. I have some seasoning left over from a taco kit that I had the other day, and I'm thinking about making a seasoning for that. One will be not spicy, and then I will add a little bit of spice to mine because I'm the spicy person, she's not. Oh, that sounds just so good. It smells so good. I'm only doing 4. It's my test run, and I think it's going to be a success. I can't wait to taste it. Here's the dip I made. I decided to use yogurt instead of sour cream, as I like plain yogurt better. With the seasoning, it tastes great. So here we go. Taste test of zucchini sticks. Oh my goodness. I used to be addicted to zucchini sticks in the restaurants, and I haven't had them for a long time. And oh, I'm going to enjoy this with the beef stroganoff that I'm making. Oh, it's not hard to eat these at all. They're delicious. This could be the whole reason why I can eat vegetables. This is so good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please come back. There will be more.